2 years ago, connecting an AI to your tools meant a custom integration for every model times every tool. 10 models, 100 tools. That's up to 1,000 connectors. Then every major AI vendor, the ones who compete on everything, quietly agreed on the same plug. That never happens. Today, what MCP actually is and how to wire your first tool into a model. Let's unpack it. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. The cleanest way to think about it, it's USB-C for AI. Before USB-C, every device had its own cable. One universal port replaced all of them. Here's the problem it kills. Custom integrations scale as n times m, every model against every tool. MCP collapses that to n plus m. Build one server per tool and every AI app can use it. Now the part almost everyone gets wrong. MCP is not function calling. Function calling is the model deciding it should use a tool. MCP is how it reaches that tool and talks to it. One decides, one connects. 3 pieces. A host is your AI app. It runs a client. The client connects to a server, which wraps a tool or data source. Model, client, server. And this isn't a bet on one company. Anthropic open sourced MCP in late 2024, then donated it to the Linux Foundation. In December 2025, with OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon all backing it. It's shared infrastructure now, like HTTP. Let's build a server. I'm using the official SDK. I define one tool, get weather, a name, a description, and the input it takes. The description is what the model reads to decide when to use it. I register the tool, start the server, and that's the whole thing. No custom API glue, no model-specific code. Now I point my AI app at that server. It handshakes, delivers the tool automatically, and the tool shows up as available. I never told the model about it directly. It discovered it through the protocol. I ask, what's the weather in Jaipur? The model decides to call the tool. That's function calling. The protocol carries the call to my server and brings the answer back. That round trip is MCP. That same server now works with any MCP client, Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, whatever. I wrote it once. That's the payoff. Before you reach for MCP, 4 questions. 1. Do you have a tool or data source you want multiple AI apps to use? 2. Use an existing server before you build. Your tool probably already has one. And 3. If you build, start read-only. Let the agent see it before it can act. And 4. Treat every server as an attack surface. Scope permissions type and require approval for anything that writes. MCP is the connection layer for the agent era. Competing vendors don't agree on a standard unless the network effects are already unstoppable. This one's settled. Grab the readiness checklist below and tell me in the comments what's the first tool in your stack you would wire into a model. Next Tuesday, we unpack something new. This is Raj. You're watching Tutor Tuesday on the AI Unpacked. Namaskar.